Is this the most beautiful PC case ever made? Fractal Design seems to think so with the North, and honestly, it's hard to disagree. This isn't your typical RGB-blasted gaming box. It's a sophisticated piece of tech furniture. The first thing that grabs you is the front panel. Those vertical bars aren't plastic, they're genuine walnut wood. The review unit is the charcoal black version with dark-tinted tempered glass, which gives it a sleek, almost understated look. If you want something brighter, there's also an oak version available. Beyond the aesthetics, this is a very functional mid-tower ATX case. It supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards, so you have plenty of options for your build. There's room for a GPU up to 355 long, or 300 if you're planning on using a 360 radiator in the front. Airflow is clearly a priority. The open front design and integrated mesh behind the wood allow for excellent natural ventilation. Fractal Design includes 2 of their 140 aspect PWM fans, which should provide a good starting point for cooling. For storage, you get 2 combined 3.5, 2.5 drive mounts and 2 dedicated 2.5 mounts. Building in the North is pretty straightforward. The side panels are easy to remove, the front panel unclips, and the top panel pops off with an integrated tab. Cable management is decent, though not exceptional. The 7 bridgeless expansion slots offer plenty of customization options. The tempered glass side panel is clear, offering a great view of your components. The front I/O includes a Type-C USB port, which is a welcome addition. The Fractal Design North isn't just a pretty face. It's a well-designed and functional case that prioritizes both aesthetics and performance. If you're looking for a case that stands out from the crowd and adds a touch of elegance to your gaming setup, the North is definitely worth considering. It's a premium case with a premium price tag, but the unique design and quality materials make it a worthwhile investment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.